new brother possessed the righteous egg. The destructive force behind his attacks. It had to be the egg! Does that mean this is a second awakening? But it's so different from what happened to me. That deep red aura. I sense a powerful darkness in it. Big brother, don't use the righteous egg's power! I'm afraid you'll be changed forever if you do!
Now that's a good boy. This is what I've been waiting for. The awakening of ruin. Now then, show me everything. All the evil power that lies within!
I have to say, you seem somehow different than you did earlier. But you're still a Goshiki-dori. Awakened or not, what do you think you could actually do to me now? You're no match for me in my current state. You're still too weak to lay a single finger on...
What was that?
Are you kidding me? A puny chicken did this to me? Don't you dare underestimate me! Don't mess with me! There's no way I could lose to you! A lowly Goshiki-dori!
We have to find a way to destroy that sphere in his chest! 10 Ultra! Explosive! Chicken leg! Shatter already! Damn! It's too hard!
Bastards! I'm gonna turn you into ground chicken! Take this! I was chosen! I can't lose to the likes of you! No matter what! I won't
What the? That sphere isn't breaking! It's regenerating his body parts before they're destroyed! Damn, this life force is strong! Not good! He's losing power! Damn it! Is he at his limit? No! That's not it! He's focusing all of his power on one spot! He's putting everything into the sphere! It's finally over.